The World is Too Much with Us, written by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth was one of the major English Romantic poets. He crafted his poems around nature and love for beauty. Wordsworth is best known for lyrical ballads, co-written with Samuel Taylor Coleridge, and The Prelude, a romantic epic poem. His widely read poems are Solitary Reaper, Lucy Gray, and Daffodils. In this poem, The World is Too Much with Us, the poet explores how modern man has disconnected himself from nature. This material world, inhabited by us, these modern cities, our jobs, our innumerable possessions, money, and power have consumed our energy, and we are so overwhelmed by these things that we have forgotten to appreciate nature. Poet feels that people are now always rushing from one thing to the other. We earn money one day and spend it the very next day. We are tied up in the greed for more money, and this way we just waste our time, our capabilities, and our energy. Third and fourth lines of the poem highlight how modern man has lost the ability to connect with nature that acts as a tranquil counterbalance to the chaotic city. We have given away this blessing in the name of supposed progress. We have destroyed a vital part of our humanity in exchange of material gain. Again, the poet describes every person giving away their heart, everything they personally care for or love to. This reveals a sense of individual suffering and loss in modern society. From line 5 to line 9 of the poem, the poet describes the beauties of nature that most people have stopped observing. The ocean that reflects the moonlight on its surface, and the peaceful, momentarily windless night, which is like flowers whose petals are folded up in the cold, still exist, but we don't appreciate them. Our lives have nothing to do with the rhythms of the natural world, as we are tied up with the materialistic possessions. As a result, we are out of tune. The rhythms have no emotional impact on us. The final part of the poem, that is from lines 10 to 14, poet wishes he had lived as a pagan in antiquity, in a culture that worshipped many gods, because he feels ancient people had a better appreciation for nature than modern people do. But he also thinks that the pagan tradition is a creed outworn. It is no longer useful. So the poet warns that he might be calmed and heartened by standing on this pleasant patch of grass with the image of the ocean before him. In the last two lines, the allusions to the mythical Greek gods Proteus and Triton, who were sea deities, shows that the poet prefers to be a pagan than alienated from nature. Some of the questions that can be expected in the exam are the message or the theme of the poem, or why is the speaker upset that people aren't moved by the nature, or why is the speaker dissatisfied with the way that human beings have been living their lives, or why does poet wish to be a pagan, or why does a poet say that we are out of tune?